welcome if you're new here. My name is Habiba, and this video is done in collaboration with Wig Encounters. They pride themselves as the best beginner-friendly wig. So if you're looking for something natural looking, not too complicated, you don't want to deal with lace or glue or heavy styling, then this half wig, headband wig is for you. All right, so first things first, there's a nice card and it tells you all about the product. Again, best beginner friendly wig. So this is Indian Remy hair, Kinky Curly 3C4A in 18 inches, 150 hair density in natural black. So along with the wig, they also include a wig cap. So also included in the box are 2 headbands. These are wide headbands and I like this one. It's giving me Hawaii 5-0 tropical vibes on the beach. It's very stretchy, it's well constructed. I can see myself wearing a dress in this or beachy outfit. The second one is yellow. Yellow happens to be my favorite color, so I was really happy to see that. So everyone gets 2 random headbands when you order a wig from this company. Okay, to the main star of the show. This is what you came for, the hair. So in the bag with the headband wig is 2 elastic bands. So these elastic bands have hooks on them just like you would find on a bra, but they're a lot wider, and this is supposed to be attached to the back of your wig if you want extra hold. I actually didn't end up using them, but some people do like wearing the band at the back of their wig on the inside. So it gives you a lot more security and the wig doesn't fall off. All right, let's pull her out. She is securely packaged, and as you can see, there is a little bit of a mesh around the wig. So I'm going to pull the wig out, and the first thing I notice is the Velcro. This is a super strong Velcro, let me tell you. Very strong. Okay, she's not going anywhere. All right, look at the texture. So again, this is supposed to be 3C4A texture, and let's take a look on the inside of the wig. It is well constructed. You can see there are 3 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and there's another comb on the bottom, basically at the nape of your head or nape of your back of your head. And there are also the 2 hooks on the side where if you wanted to attach those elastic bands, you could attach them onto either side. All right, look at this texture. I was loving it. Now, of course, you know, you'll notice it looks a little bit shiny and maybe a little wiggy at first. But honey, we are going to transform these curls. Just wait till you see once those curls are hydrated. Anyway, let me show you the actual band along the headband wig. It is the right size. I love the fact that it's not too long and it's not too short. It's the perfect size. Okay, before I try on this wig, let's do my edges. I'm going to use Got2b and Eco Styler. So first I like to apply the Eco Styler. Everybody does it different. This is how I do it. And then I brush in the Eco Styler. You can see I have some old cornrows in my head, but actually my hair was really clean. I had just washed it the day before. Okay, now comes the Got2b, and then I sleek that down with my brush. Can you see the magic happening? Can you see? Oh my God, it's so amazing. I just love it. So you don't have to relax your hair. Natural girls, you can have sleek edges too. All right, so then I'm gonna put on my wig cap. Of course, they provided one, but I happen to have one already available, open, so I'm gonna use that. And that just helps provide a flat base so that your foundation is good. I am so excited. So excited, I really was. Okay, plop that baby on, and once you put the wig on, you're going to try to secure the comb in the back. So that's what I do. The comb is secure in the back, and then I try to work on putting the combs on the side. So at first I was thinking the wig cap was going to be a little small, but it actually stretches. So it actually fit me well, and this is the average size cap. All right, so I'm pulling up my hair in the back. That way I can put the Velcro on. So when you pull your hair up, it just helps to keep things neat and organized. And then I can securely apply the Velcro. So I'm just checking for that comb in the back, and that's why it's helpful to have, you know, braids or a little bit of an anchor. By the way, if you've been following me, you know I usually make my own wigs, so I was really excited to try this human hair wig made by a company. So anyway, as you can see, the Velcro goes on very nice, very flat. I pull down the hair, and she looks like a wig. It doesn't look as cute as it's going to look. You're going to have to finagle, adjust the headband to your liking. So I kind of fold it, you know, backwards a little bit. And again, make sure the combs are secure. So as you can see, besides a little bit of an adjustment of the headband, putting on this wig was super easy. 1, 2, 3, boom, she's on. Okay, we got to do something with this hair though to bring it to life. So a little water is all you need to bring this hair to life. If you want to be a little extra, you can add a little conditioner to the water. But I can't wait for you to see how amazing this hair looks. Oh my goodness. So all I'm doing is spraying it with water and then running my hands through the curls. I decided to add some leave-in conditioner to give me a little bit of slip, and it really brought this hair to life. So after adding the water and then adding the leave-in conditioner, it just felt so nice. It smelled so good. It was so soft and light. And I mean, you can see that for yourself. You can just see how soft and luscious those curls are looking. Bouncy and healthy. Look at the difference between how it came out the box and after I've conditioned it. It's so beautiful. I was just in love. It looks like natural hair. This is my hair. What are you talking about? This is my hair. Oh my goodness, I couldn't stop touching it. All right, so we're gonna do that with the second side and then you will see. Oh, I just wanted you to see there's a little bit of shedding. Expect a little bit of shedding, not much. Okay, we got our big hair. What do you think? Big hair. I love it. Love it, love it. And you're gonna love it too, I promise you. It was a little bit uneven, and so I will later give it a little bit of a trim, not too much, but it really looks like natural hair. Okay, so let's add our big hoop earrings. Big hair deserves big earrings. I really like how it looked. I like how I felt in this hair. It looks amazing. But before I get carried away, I almost forgot I have some headbands to have some fun with. So the easiest way is to put your hair up, put the headband over your head, and then pull it back up on your head. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So if you don't want to show your edges, you don't have edges, or you don't have the time to slick back your edges, no problem. Just wear the headband on your forehead. Looks very nice. However, I prefer when the headband is pulled back a little bit, showing my hairline. So that's what I'm doing here. I really like this look better. But to each his own. I think both ways look nice. Yes, girl, I was feeling myself. And I can't wait to show you some other looks. Don't forget to check the description box below if you would like your own headband wig from Wig Encounters. Just look at that texture. Okay, so let me try on the yellow headband. Same process, pretty simple. When ordering, don't forget to use my coupon code, first name Habiba, for 20% discount. Now, how natural does this side ponytail look? This is how I wear my hair naturally anyway. This wig is super beginner friendly. Okay, can I do a high puff? Sometimes you just want to switch it up. You want something quick but cute. You got that quick Zoom meeting, or you need to run out to the store real quick. Let me put back my Hawaii 5-0 headband. Look at the back, it looks good, looks good. Got my glasses on, hoop earrings on. Hello, gotta do my happy dance. She was feeling cute, she was feeling cute. Keep in mind, your girl is 50 years old. Do I look 50? No, I don't. No, I don't. You need to go get your hair. Go get your hair. Okay, so I just wanted to show you when I hydrate the hair. Let's say you manipulate the hair, you're going to lose some of the curl a little bit. All you have to do is add a little bit of water or conditioner, and boom, the curls are back. They will be popping. Okay? So nice and juicy, luxurious curls. All right, let's see if we braid it. How does this hair condense? Seriously, does this look like a wig? No, this looks like I braided my hair, right? It's the right density. It's not too much. It's not too little. And now you can take these braids and turn it into a style if you please. Just use some bobby pins. Boom. There's a style. All right, so I'm just gonna undo the braid here so that you can see how it basically loosens the curl pattern a little bit, and then you will have what looks like a braid out. So if you did smaller braids and added a little bit more hair product, you could get a really nice braid out. This is several days later. The hair actually looks even prettier. This is after washing it, conditioning, and also I gave myself a little bit of a trim, kind of framing my face. The curls are popping. They still look nice and juicy, super natural. I'm just loving this hair. And I wanted to wait a few days wearing it so I could give you my honest opinion how it wears. And it really wears well. Just because it's cold and gray outside doesn't mean we can't channel some tropical vibes, right? I can't go to Miami, but I can pretend I'm in Miami. All right, let's try another headband style. This time I want bangs, okay? Can this hair give me bangs? What if I want a side swoop? So as you see, I take a small amount of hair, drag it across over the built-in headband, secure it with a bobby pin, and there you go. And like I always do, let's see if this hair fits well under a baseball cap, because I like my baseball caps. What do you think? What do you think? I think she looks good. This hair is really something else. Super versatile. Super versatile, beginner friendly. This is the wig for you. You need this wig in your life. Okay, what kind of friend would I be if I didn't show you what the hair looks like outside? This is what it looks like in natural light. It was actually late in the evening, and it still looks amazing, right? You would know this wasn't my hair. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and come back soon.